Happy Vlogmas Day 29. Cupcake and I are in the bed per usual, but I'm about to get up and run some errands with my sister and my niece. So let's get into it. We're going to World Market for sure. And we're here. So you guys know I love Asian foods and I was struggling on where to get certain things. So got a lot of stuff that I will show you at the end of the video from World Market, and then we headed to Michael's. Michael's has this cute shabby chic collection that just came out. You guys, I'm in love with almost everything there, but I need to get my office more organized before I just bring in certain decor pieces. Now, the little tub at the bottom, I did want to get for my washi. Here's the damage I did. So let's get home so that I can show you what I got and we can open everything. So let's start with what I got from Bath & Body Works. It's in my annual sale. Ooh, almost dropped it. Finally found the Pillow Body Mist, lavender and vanilla. They had one a long time ago, like years ago, that I used to use all the time. And then they discontinued it, made this new scent. I hated it. And now they have lavender and vanilla, so I love that. And then, what did I get? Oh, and then I got shower steamers. Fun fact, I do not like to take showers. I take baths, but what I would do is put this in the shower and let it steam up like while I'm cleaning the bathroom or something like that so that it smells really good. That's my idea here. And then, of course, did not a lot of damage, but did enough damage at World Market, which got a whole bunch of like drinks and food, Asian drinks. Which one is this? This is Mochi Sparkling Yuzu White Peach. I can't wait to try this one. I may have actually tried this before, but I can't remember. But I'm gonna try it again. Oh, I drank one in the car, didn't even make it. Mochi, Japanese style red bean mochi. Can't wait to dig into that. More tea. I'm gonna put this in on my beverage station, which you guys saw yesterday. Yeah, ramune. This is the pineapple. I think I have a couple of these, but they're not all pineapple flavored. They're different flavors, but got those. Oh, what else we got? Oh, these were so cute. I had to have them. Novelty kitchen sponges. I like little cute stuff like this to be around my kitchen, to make like cleaning fun or just life fun. I love to surround myself with things that I think are beautiful or fun or, you know, whatever, so that when life gets down, because it inevitably will, you can look at those things and they can bring you joy. And so this is just something, I think these were like $5.99 or something like that. Yeah, $5.99. And so I'm gonna put these over there by the sink. But I believe the rest of the stuff I got is food and drinks from here. Yep, another ramune, the Hello Kitty one. I drank the other Hello Kitty one in the car. Didn't even make it to shoot the video. This might be another ramune. Yep, this one is watermelon flavor. So you guys know, because I came from California, these are easily accessible. And I didn't know where to get any of the Asian foods here. And it seems like World Market is gonna be my best bet. And then this is another thing that is going to go on my beverage bar. And I really just wanted the lavender syrup, but I have violet, rose, hibiscus, and elderflower, so I'll try all of those and put those in my tea, let you guys know how that tastes. And then the Fever Tree ginger beer. So I first got this from Nordstrom, the Nordstrom Cafe. I love the ginger beer. And so when my sister saw it in World Market, she was like, that's the one that you have had. So I got that so that I can have it at home. So lots of juices here. And then these are my favorite chips, the Hawaiian Luau barbecue chips, Hawaiian brand. I got the party size, you guys. This didn't even make it to video really. It's almost gone. I definitely ate those in one day. So there's that. So let me show you what I got from Michael's that I'll probably put together in tomorrow's video. Okay, so I got this cute little rolling cart, 10 drawer rolling cart. It was on sale for $25 at Michael's, but I'm gonna put this together tomorrow because, ooh, that is looking a mess in there. Okay, I didn't want to show you guys, but showed you a little sneak peek. But I need to get my office in order, so this is going to be helpful, and then I will be able to reevaluate what other storage items I need. I actually think I did get 2 little storage baskets that are around here somewhere, so I'll show you guys those tomorrow. So I added the syrups to my beverage center. This is what it looks like. I am in love. I do need to get some type of stand for the beverage center. This is going to get out of hand. And then the cute little sponge, I put it right by the faucet and it looks so cute there. I can't stand it. Love you. Bye.